my name is Alexia with LPT Medical. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Oxlife Independence by O2 Concepts. To start off, we're going to take everything out of the box and show you what comes included in your package. You will receive an accessory bag. You will receive a manual. You will receive your battery. Your DC power supply, which is for your car. And the AC power supply for the wall. And then we have the unit itself. So now that we have everything laid out, I'm going to show you how to set up your Oxlife Independence for first time use. As you can see, it comes all ready to go. There is a built-in travel cart with a handle. You just press the button and lift it up, and the same to put it back down. First, we are going to install the battery. There is a spot for 2 batteries. You can use it with either 1 or 2 batteries. It just slides directly in. Then we are going to put on the cannula right here. Now it is ready to be turned on. So to turn on the Oxlife Independence, you're going to press the green power button. So this unit does 1 to 6 on a pulse flow. It also does half settings in between that. And it does 1 to 3 liters per minute on a continuous flow. So it is on pulse flow right now. You just press the up button to go higher in your setting, and the down button to go lower. To switch it over to continuous flow, you're going to press the M. It will say continuous on the bottom. Press plus or the up button to go higher, and the down button to go lower. And to power it off, hold the green power button. The Oxlife Independence is 20.2 inches high, 8 inches in depth, and 10.9 inches wide. The Oxlife Independence weighs just under 20 pounds. It does a pulse setting of 1 to 6. It also does a continuous flow setting of 0.5 to 3 liters per minute. On a setting of 2 pulse with 1 battery, you will get just about 3 hours of battery life. With 2 batteries on a pulse setting of 2, you will get just under 6 hours of battery life. On a continuous flow setting of 2 liters per minute, you will get just over an hour battery life with 1 battery, and on a continuous flow setting of 2 liters per minute with 2 batteries, you will get about 2.5 hours of battery life. This unit is really great for people who need a higher continuous flow oxygen setting, as it does go up to 3 liters continuous, and also has those pulse flow settings as well. It's great for everyday use, as it does have a built-in travel cart with the handle, easy to carry around during the day, and you can also use it at night with a CPAP and BiPAP. If you'd like to see how the Oxlife Independence compares to other portable oxygen concentrators, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post other videos like this. And be sure to check out our Facebook group, where you can ask questions and interact with other oxygen users like yourself. And most importantly, if you're in the market for a portable oxygen concentrator like this, be sure to check out our website, www.lptmedical.com, or call the number on your screen. so you can speak with one of our respiratory specialists to help find the best portable oxygen concentrator for you.